In a city that's always running, there's one home that slows you down, where every thali feels like a warm hug. Meet Tejal Bain. After 30 beautiful years of marriage, she decided to finally live her dreams. And that's how Jamanwar was born, Mumbai's first Gujarati supper club. Here, Atithi Deva Bhava isn't just a line, it's a feeling you taste in every bite. From sweet matado to soulful Indu, from crispy handwo to surprises you can't even name. Because here, no dish is ever repeated. Every thali feels like a family Jamanwar. This isn't just food, it's parampara, pyar and passion served on a plate. For generations to come, here's a message from her.
કલ્ચર સંભાળો. કલ્ચર નહીં સંભાળો તો આપણી જ કલ્ચર પાણીમાં વહી જશે. હું એમ નથી કહેતી કે ફોરેનનું કલ્ચર નહીં અપનાવો, જરૂરથી અપનાવો. પ્રગતિ તો આપણે બધી જ કરવાની છે, પણ કલ્ચરને ભૂલીને નહીં.
જમણવારમાં તો જલસો પડી ગયો.